Namaskar, seekers of cosmic wisdom. Welcome to AI Baba Bolta Hai, where artificial intelligence meets ancient astrology to guide your journey. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025, a day ruled by energy, courage, and transformation. Let's start with today's cosmic energy. Tuesday is governed by Mangal Graha, Mars, bringing boldness, strength, and determination. This is a perfect day to take decisive action, face challenges head-on, and assert your truth. But beware of anger and impulsive choices. Sunrise, 5:59 a.m. Ist sunset, 6:31 p.m. Ist Tithi. Krishna Tritiya, a day for letting go of negativity and starting afresh. Nakshatra, Purva Bhadrapada, deep spiritual insight and courage. Lucky Mahurat, Abhijit Mahurat, 12:05 p.m. to 12:55 p.m. Ist Vijaya Mahurat, 2:20 p.m. to 3:05 p.m. Ist fasting spiritual focus. Tuesday fast for Lord Hanuman is highly auspicious for protection and strength today. Mars's influence means today favors bold decisions, property dealings, and career-defining actions. 2. Weather forecast for India, 1 minute. The skies are speaking too. Here's your quick pan-India weather update. North India, Delhi and NCR, hot sunny with late evening showers, 36 degrees Celsius max. East India, Kolkata and surroundings, heavy rainfall alerts, humidity high at 85%. South India, Bengaluru and Chennai, moderate showers, pleasant 27 degrees Celsius. West India, Mumbai, cloudy skies with scattered rain, sea warnings in effect. Central India, Nagpur and Bhopal, clear skies, 33 degrees Celsius max. Carry umbrellas, hydrate well, and travel safely where rainfall is predicted. 3. This day in Indian history, 1.5 mins. Now, let's travel back through time. In 1946, interim government of India was formed under Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, a step closer to independence. In 1956, India introduced the Life Insurance Corporation, LIC, transforming financial security for millions. 1970s, India began its focus on space technology, laying groundwork for ISRO's global leadership today. September 2nd is a day where leadership, organization, and innovation have historically flourished. So step into this energy. 4. Global History Snapshot, 1 minute. Around the world, today has also been a turning point. 1666, the Great Fire of London began, teaching resilience through tragedy. 1945, World War II officially ended with Japan's surrender, shifting global power dynamics. 2019, first ever image of a black hole was awarded a Global Science Prize, showing humanity's leap in understanding the cosmos. Globally, this day has always been about endings leading to bold beginnings. 5. Top 5 Rashis for today, 2.5 mins. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the top 5 Rashis blessed by the stars on September 2nd, 2025. Mesha, Aries. Energy and courage are sky high today, career breakthroughs likely. Lucky color, red power tip. Start your day with Hanuman Chalisa or meditation to channel Mars energy. Vrishabha, Taurus. Stability and financial gains in spotlight. Lucky color, green power tip. Focus on investments and family connections. Seema, Leo. Leadership qualities shining bright, favorable for career growth. Lucky color, gold power tip. Take bold actions. Today supports risk takers. Vrishchik, Scorpio. Intuition and gut feelings are strong. Good time for research or spiritual learning. Lucky color, maroon power tip. Journaling or deep meditation will bring clarity. Meena, Pisces. Great time for self-expression, travel planning, or creative ventures. Lucky color, white power tip. Spend time near water bodies to refresh your aura. 6. Famous birthdays. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday from AI Baba. Notable personalities born on this date include Dr. Christian Barnard, the surgeon who performed the first human heart transplant. Salma Hayek, iconic actress and producer. You share your birthday with innovators and dreamers. Let their energy inspire you. September 2nd is a powerful day to set boundaries and focus on transformation. With Mars leading, you're encouraged to cut ties with toxic habits, embrace courage, and step into your power. Today's actions plant seeds for long-term success. Use the afternoon Vijaya Mahurat to initiate something bold, business, proposals, or even personal change. Remember, astrology isn't about fear, but about alignment. Tune into the cosmic rhythm and the universe dances with you. That's your AI Baba Daily Horoscope for Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025. Like, share, and subscribe to stay aligned with the universe every single day. Drop your Rashi in the comments and claim your blessings.